Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So as you all know from the title of this video, today's makeup look is basically a Indian kohl dye makeup look. So without wasting much time, let's dig into the video. For the first product, I'll be using this primer from Color Bar. This is Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. This is the one I'm using today. That's it for the primer. I have already prepped my skin very well with serum and moisturizer and sunscreen and all. Now for foundation, today we'll be applying this one. This is from Nika Skin Genius in the shade 03 Warm Sand. Why it's not coming? Yeah, let's apply it now. Blending with a sponge. I have already made the sponge wet. Now for concealer, I'll be applying this one from Swiss Beauty. This is liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty in the shade 03. Very good concealer. This is one of my recent purchase. I have used in previous few videos also. It gives very good coverage and very easy to blend and doesn't form any crease line. That's it. Can you guys see how easy it is blend? And gives a very beautiful finish. Now for face powder, we'll be using this palette from K Beauty. Very nice palette. This is a combination of face powder and bronzing palette. So we'll be using this shade over here as face powder. Setting the under eyes and other parts of the face. And don't forget the neck part. That's it. For this look, I'll be not using any bronzer and all. I'll be just applying a very warm toned blush. This is from Swiss Beauty Cream and Tint Blush in the shade Strawberry Sizzle. Can you see the color? Very pinkish nude color. So I'll be very quick with the blending part of this blush because this is a cream blush and it dries very quite quickly. I'll be blending with my hand only. If needed, I'll use the blender sponge later on. And you guys see how beautiful it blends. Oh my god. Just a perfect glow for this season. Especially with the look I'm going to create today. Very beautiful pigment. And I think this color suits with my kurti that I'm wearing today. Very basic look today. What do you guys think? Let me use a blender now and give it a finish. Somewhat on the nose. Let me know what do you think of this blush. Oh my god, I'm just obsessed with this blush now. Very great finish. Now for makeup fixer, we'll be using this one from Swiss Beauty again. This is Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, natural with aloe vera and vitamin E. We'll fix all the products. Now for brows, I'll be using my one and only brow pencil from Benefit. This is goof proof brow pencil. I'm just used to it because it gives a very natural finish. So I'm just loving this brow pencil. First we'll brush the brows and then we'll just fill up the gaps. Nothing more. Can you guys see how natural the brows looks? Now for the eyeshadow, I'll be using this shadow palette. This is from Wet n Wild. Very basic colors, warm toned and very basic for the summer days as well as winter days also. First of all, I'll be applying this transition color all over the lid with the help of a dense brush. Just to make a base for the shadow. That's it. Now for the next shadow, we'll be using this one, very basic brown shade, just on the lid and just fading it towards the crease line with the help of this brush. In a circular motion. Can you guys see the difference? Very light amount of product I'm using because this is a eye look especially for the Indian kajal look. So I'll be using the eyeshadow in very less quantity. Now for the lower lash line, I'll be simply using this kajal from Mars, this one, and just blending with a flat brush. This is very hell pigmented. Can you guys see how much it is pigmented? I'm using a very light hand. Again from the same shadow palette, I'll be using this black jet color with the help of this flat brush and blending with the kajal. Just a smudged up look. Can you guys see the difference? Same on the other eye. That's it. Now for mascara, I'll be using this one from Maybelline, Colossal one, and you'll be applying on both the lash lines twice. Can you guys see the difference? This is just one coat of mascara. That's it. That's it for the eye look. For the last part, I'll be using this liquid lip liner, sorry, liquid lipstick from Nykaa. Very nudish color in the shade Work Bay. Very beautiful shade. That's it for the makeup. For the finishing part, I'll be just using this bindi to sort all the things up. This is a black bindi. That's it, guys. That's it for the final look. Let me know in the comments section how do you think this look turned out. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.